That's not good. Dumb tough. GDPRS with the Visac. The Visac back. What is good, y'all boys? This is day 3 of the ASM weekend. Yesterday we didn't really do too much because, bro, we trying to look for after meets and we didn't really find nothing. It was just chilling. We linked up with a couple homies, but that's really it. But yeah, bro, today I forgot exactly his name. I'll have it right here though. But the guy that like builds all the RWB Porsches and stuff, like the hand builds them, he's actually down here. I don't know if he stayed down here or what, cause I know it's not his first time down here, but he's actually building a Porsche live right now. So we about to go ahead and head up there. Yeah, me and my girl, Huncho and Adrian. And yeah, we all finna head up there. Feel me, go see what's up. So it's gonna be lit. Feel me, taking the Z today, big Z. I painted this. This doesn't hold up though, so I don't know, I gotta figure that out. But and then, bro, I like took so long to paint it. I can't find like the rest of the clips that go to it, so it's all bad. But the headliner came out dumb nice. I probably already talked about it, but bro, it's so fire, bro. It's so cozy up in here. But oh, that was terrible. Oh, I missed third. But yeah, so yeah, that's how it is. Finna everybody head up. And also, the rear bumper is finally almost done. The way Rodrigo finally sent me some pictures, bro. So hopefully the rear bumper is finally almost done. He said he needs to do like one more sanding process. And yeah, it's about that time, bro. Finally get this rear bumper and finally go ahead and finish this car. Besides that, the last thing that I'm really waiting for is, damn, bro, wait, slow down hella. The last thing I'm really waiting for is that, and then the window, cause I don't know if y'all heard, like, you can kind of hear like air coming through, and that's really cause of the rear bumper too. Cause that rear bumper doesn't like fully like go up. And then I don't have that A-pillar. I have this A-pillar on, but I don't have that A-pillar on. And the reason I don't have that A-pillar on, cause that window doesn't go down. So the thing with the Z's, bro, I'm sure that's like a lot of coupes, but the thing with the Z's, the A-pillar covers over the window. So cause of that, since that window doesn't go down, it's just gonna keep smacking the A-pillar. And really, that's probably why my other one's broke. I just kept opening and closing, smacking that shit. But yeah, bro, so that's that. But finna go ahead and get on the road, and yeah, bro, we lit. looking today. It looks like I'm pretty sure the prices are starting to drop on them, so it looks like people starting to get them now. That's fine. Them just do look good, especially when you modify them. Stock, it's not the best, but when you modify them, they have like hella potential. Yeah, Rush. It's a little bro right there. I got the old bets. Yeah. Pulling up now. These boys got some whips outside. 35 with the ESXXs, I'm pretty sure. Another Z, man. Definitely some heads out here. Some nice ass cars too. DRZ, GTRS, G80. Look like, I want to say it's a GT3. Yeah, GT3 probably GTRS. This man, they're killing me right now, though. This man going dumb slow. Some nice whips out here, though. Very nice. It's tough, man.
Wow.
Wait, I slip on the highway. Where I got the R.
Oh yeah, that's funny. Yo, fuck.
Yeah, like I was saying, bro, the whips is out. Got this GTR, GTRS. There's a Z over there. I don't know if y'all can see. It's like multicolored. I want to say it's twin turbo, but if it's not the guy I'm thinking about, it might not be. I don't know. That junk's loud, bro. That junk's hella loud. GG, that shit gone. Oh, this is hella zoomed in. This one's hella nice. The white on white, dumb tough. You got the GTRs. Fire. But yeah, this is what I was saying. I remember his name, but it's the guy that builds these type of cars. Pretty sure he's inside there building one right now. It's Akira?
Akira.
Oh yeah, there y'all go. His name's Akira. Akira!
Yeah.
Then you got the 720. That dumb clean. Music dumb loud though, so I'm probably gonna have to play like some music over it. This one is dumb tough. GT3RS with the Visac. The Visac package. This is fire though. It's a crazy color. I've never seen a color like this. Jeez. The EVs.
Oh, you gotta like that shit.
Hell yeah. God, is he about to spin it?
Why did he turn around?
He's like, is he about to spin it?
I ain't trying to spin that shit.
Oh, no way.
I think he's trying to spin that. He's not enough room.
I'm actually really surprised in the angle.
He's just fucking around.
Yeah.
Like everybody think he was gonna spin that shit. He's like, I'm gonna
I was really surprised in the angle though. That boy was making.
Yeah. Yo,
For being such a small.
you can imagine being like a carousel with that. Yo.
GTR that I put up. Yo, this thing's nasty, dog. Oh, that don't look good. You know why I look good? Because that gray. Good gray.
I definitely do.
This is nice too. Look like that boy just put up. That little track spec. No, fire. And you got the EPR. Big EPR. I do like the facelifts more though, but this one is still like iconic. Especially that boy got the carbon trunk. I feel like it's mandatory on GTRs, bro. It just looks too fire.
Later.
This might be kind of random, but if y'all boys follow me on IG, y'all boys already know how I be with the sim racing and junk. If you see that right there, if you know about sim racing, we got a whole Moses setup, bro. I am so hyped, dog. I've had my Logitech G29 setup, and I put like an aftermarket steering wheel on it, like I put a quick release, but regardless, I've had that setup for like 5 years, bro. I've been wanting to upgrade that setup for so long, bro. I'm so happy I got this, bro. I finally went ahead and put the trigger in order, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it and show y'all what I got. All right, as you can see, we got everything laid out. Y'all boys know about sim setups, you feel me? If you don't, you don't, but we got some low cell pedals. We got this steering wheel, we got the shifter. Bro, we went to Cars and Coffee the other day. Dog, I had used the sim and they had the shifter, bro. It felt amazing. Like, night and day compared to that Logitech shifter, bro. And you got the R9 V3 base, and then I got a table mounting bracket. They had this junk on discount, so that's why I went ahead and pulled the trigger. Cause I was like, it was on discount for a little minute, so I was like really hesitating, but I was like, you know what, bro? Let me go ahead and treat myself, bro. And whoo, I cannot wait to get this junk set up, man. To get a direct drive, bro. It feel like I'm getting a whole new car. I already started taking some of it upstairs, but I just want to say something before we should not get out of here, though. Y'all boys ever thought about copping a sim setup? Obviously, you don't gotta be something this expensive, but I say do it, bro, because the main reason I even got my first sim setup was because I didn't want to waste so much money on tires, bro. And you still get a lot of seat time, and something like this will definitely be one-to-one for me. So even with the G29 that I had and the little mods that I did to it, I do feel like it was perfect, bro. So yeah, again, if you was thinking about copying a sim setup, bro, this is your sign to do it.